In this video, let's discuss an important clinical SAS interview question. That is, how to calculate the total number of observations in a SAS dataset. In SAS programming, there are several methods to count the observations. So, what are those different methods? The SAS programmer can select any method from the available methods. Some of the important methods include 1. Using macro call simpit and NOBS option. 2. Using retain and end option. 3. Using %sysfunc and data step functions. 4. Using proc contents. 5. Using proc datasets. 6. Using proc freq. 7. Using proc means. 8. Using proc summary. 9. Using count function in proc SQL. 10. Using end function in proc SQL. In this session, we will discuss only the first three methods. The first one is using macro call simpit and NOBS option. This method allows one to count any number of records. Importantly, this method enables one even to measure the missing records also. For example, if the data set includes records such as A100, B200, C300, A400, B500, D600, E700. Here, the programmer can even count this missing record. Here is a SAS dataset test, having two variables TRT, NO and when you see the program. We are creating a new dataset test1 by calling the old dataset test. The total number of observations is calculated by using the SAS dataset set option NOBS. We are assigning this NOBS equals option to our own named temporary variable. I have taken its name as NOBS. This temporary variable, again assigned to a macro variable, which is our own named hot_NOBS. Now we can check the output in log by using the %put statement as below. %put total observations equals and tot_NOBS. So here, total number of observations in test dataset is 8 along with missing records. Second method is using retain and end option. Here using retain statement we can calculate the total number of observations which is stored in count variable. And this count variable value is assigned to the macro variable NOBS by using call simpit macro function. Here end equals last means the last record from dataset is stored in a last temporary variable. So if last record of the SAS dataset then assigned its value to the macro variable. Next, third method is using macro %sysfunc and data step functions. First open the SAS dataset using %sysfunc and open functions. And then count the number of observations and even number of variables using %sysfunc knobs and envars and finally close the dataset. You can check the output in log using %put statement. We will discuss further methods to count the observations in next video.